Hello, and welcome to our video on how to start a recycling business. 10 recycling business ideas. Recycling is becoming increasingly important in today's world as we strive to reduce waste and preserve our planet. Starting a recycling business can not only help reduce waste, but also be a profitable venture. In this video, we'll be sharing some valuable tips and 10 recycling business ideas to help you get started on your recycling journey. Steps to start a recycling business. Research the market. Before starting a recycling business, research the market to find out which materials are in high demand and what recycling businesses are already operating in your area. Understanding the market and competition can help you identify gaps in the market and opportunities for your business. Develop a business plan. A business plan is essential for any new business, and a recycling business is no exception. Your business plan should include your goals, target market, marketing strategy, financial projections, and funding needs. It should also outline your operational procedures and how you plan to collect, sort, and process recyclable materials. Register your business. You will need to register your business with the appropriate government agencies in your area. This may include obtaining a business license, tax identification number, and any necessary permits. Secure funding. Starting a recycling business may require a significant amount of capital, depending on the type of recycling business you choose. You may need to secure funding from investors or obtain a loan from a financial institution. Find a location. You will need a location to store and process recyclable materials. You can either rent a space or convert an existing building into a recycling facility. Purchase equipment. Depending on the type of recycling business, you may need to purchase equipment such as sorting machines, shredders, balers, and trucks. Hire staff. You will need staff to operate your recycling business. Depending on the size of your business, you may need to hire employees to handle sorting, processing, and transportation of materials. Market your business. Marketing your recycling business is essential to attract customers and increase awareness of your services. You can use social media, advertising, and community outreach programs to promote your business. 10 recycling business ideas. Paper recycling business. Paper recycling is one of the easiest and most common recycling businesses. You can collect waste paper from schools, offices, and residential areas and recycle it into new paper products. Plastic recycling business. Plastic is one of the most widely used materials, and unfortunately, it is also one of the most harmful to the environment. A plastic recycling business involves collecting used plastic products, sorting them according to type and quality, and then recycling them into new plastic products. Glass recycling business. Glass is one of the most recyclable materials, and starting a glass recycling business can be a lucrative venture. Glass can be recycled into new glass products or used for construction materials. Metal recycling business. Metal recycling is another profitable recycling business idea. You can collect scrap metal from construction sites, manufacturing plants, and residential areas, and sell them to metal recycling plants. You can also start a metal recycling plant that recycles metal products into new products. E-waste recycling business. E-waste, or electronic waste, is a growing problem as people replace their electronic devices with newer ones. Starting an e-waste recycling business involves collecting old electronic devices and recycling them into new electronic products or separating their components for further recycling. Battery recycling business. Batteries are widely used in a variety of industries, and starting a battery recycling business can be a profitable venture. You can collect used batteries and recycle them into new batteries or clothing recycling business. The fashion industry is known for producing a significant amount of waste, and starting a clothing recycling business can help reduce the amount of clothing waste going to landfills. You can collect used clothing and textiles and recycle them into new products or repurpose them for other uses. Tire recycling business. Tires are another commonly discarded item that can be recycled into new products. A tire recycling business involves collecting used tires and recycling them into rubber products or using them for other purposes, such as construction materials or fuel. Organic waste recycling business. Organic waste, such as food waste and yard waste, can be recycled into compost or used for energy production. Starting an organic waste recycling business can involve collecting organic waste from residential areas and businesses and processing it into compost or other products. Construction and demolition waste recycling business. Construction and demolition waste, such as concrete, bricks, and wood, can be recycled into new building materials. Starting a construction and demolition waste recycling business involves collecting waste from construction sites and processing it into new materials. Plastic bottle recycling business. Plastic bottles are a common item that can be recycled into new plastic products. Starting a plastic bottle recycling business involves collecting used plastic bottles and processing them into new plastic products or using them for other purposes, such as insulation or clothing. And that's it for our video on how to start a recycling business, 10 recycling business ideas. We hope you found these tips and ideas helpful and inspiring. Remember, starting a recycling business requires careful planning and research, but with dedication and hard work, you can make a positive impact on the environment while also creating a successful business. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more informative videos.